It's time for Q&A with the Credit Game.
What I like about the Home Trust Secure Visa is you're not only building your credit score, but also an internal relationship with a potential mortgage lender. This is beneficial if you're actually looking to rebuild your credit for the purposes of mortgage financing. But now that we know that, let's just see how it does in helping you rebuild your credit. There are 4 main categories I look at before recommending any rebuilding credit cards, loans, or a line of credit. How expensive it is, does it report to both Equifax and TransUnion, value to the credit score or how much it affects the score, and value to an underwriter. An underwriter works at the bank and reviews your credit application before you get approved. One of the best things about the Home Trust Secure Visa is there is no annual fee. Every other secure credit card or credit rebuilding card that reports to Equifax and TransUnion has one. That means, unless you carry a balance month to month, which I never suggest, you can rebuild your credit for free. The Home Trust Secure Visa reports to both Equifax and TransUnion. Credit cards affect the score more than all other types of credit card rebuilding loans, lines of credit, cell phones, rent, or even a mortgage. The Home Trust Secure Visa is no different. Home Trust does report this credit card as secured, but affects the score very similar as if the credit card was with a major bank. The value to the underwriter is one category where the Home Trust Secure credit card doesn't get top score. Underwriters would prefer cards with a major bank, but when rebuilding credit in Canada, you have to start somewhere. Major banks will provide secure credit cards to those who are new to Canada or just starting out, but not to Canadians that have had bad credit in the past or looking to rebuild their credit. If handled properly, the Home Trust Secure Visa is a great stepping stone to get you approved for major banks in the future. Underwriters would prefer to see higher credit card limits. The Home Trust Secured Visa requires a minimum of $500 and has a maximum limit of $10,000. One thing I don't like about this card is that they won't automatically increase your limit even if you've been paying your bills on time for years. If you want a higher limit, you have to provide an additional security before Home Trust Visa will increase it. My biggest problem with the Home Trust Secure Visa in the past has been how long it takes you to get the credit card. If you're trying to rebuild your credit as fast as possible, you don't want to have to wait 3+ months in order to get it in the mail. Since COVID, Home Trust has been improving their application process. It still isn't as fast as I would like, but its turnaround time has been improving. If you'd like to compare the Home Trust Secure Visa with all the other credit rebuilding options in Canada, check out this link below in the More Info or Show More Info section.